Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to download Bitget on PC. Alright, so first up, we're going to be using an extension if you want to open it up under your browser. Again, the second one, if you just want a shortcut, okay, directly from your PC. Now, the first option right here is via extensions. So just go ahead over to your extensions manager right here. As you can see, I already have Binance and MetaMask. So just click on Manage Extension. If you can't find it, well, tap on 3 horizontal lines, click on Extensions. Now visit a web store. Okay. Now in here, let's just go and find Bitget, just like so, and hit on Enter. Now, if you don't trust this option, you can just go ahead and use the search bar right here and type down Bitget download for PC. Scroll down until you find Chrome Web Store. Okay, Bitget Wallet Web3. This is just basically the same right here. Okay, let's go ahead and open this one. As you can see, it's the same. So just click on Add to Brave, Add Extension, wait for it to fully install. And once that's done, click on your extensions right here, click on Bitget, and just log in. Okay, we're just importing your wallet or creating a new wallet. Now, the other option, just go ahead over to Bitget right here or bitget.com. And then once that's done, at the top, we have the URL box or address bar. You have the install button right here. Okay, just click on it, hit on install. And here we have it. You'll be able to see it on your desktop as well. Okay, the shortcut. This one, we now have the Bitget exchange. So just double click and it will open up. All right. And there you have it. That is how you download Bitget on PC. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.